Hello friends, this is Storytime with Samantha. Today we will read Summer Snowstorm, written and illustrated by Ned Young. Hey Mom, yelled Summer, it's really hot outside. Can I have a snow cone? On one condition, said Mom. I know, said Summer, that I clean up the kitchen when I'm done. Zoomer switched on the snow cone machine and looked through the cupboards. Let's see, he thought. What flavor do I want? After making his choice, he turned around and saw his snow cone was now about 3 feet deep. Uh-oh, thought Zoomer. I'd better get them up. Here, this is Zoomer. Here's him choosing his flavor, and here's the very big mess he made. But after thinking about it, Summer decided to put his hat and mittens and open the kitchen window instead. As usual, the twins had something to say to their little brother. Hey, what's with the hat and mittens? Asked Cooper. Yeah, said Cooper. It's like 100 degrees out here. Not for long, replied Summer. Here's Zoomer getting out of the window into the fun. And this is Cooper. They're talking to Zoomer about what's happening. The hot summer weather suddenly turned icy cold as winter came pouring into the backyard. I'm telling, said Cooper, shivering. Why? Said Zoomer. I already asked Mom for permission to turn summer into winter, Cooper said, his teeth chattering. Here, the winter pouring out of the window into the yard. Here, the brothers, they're confused and freezing cold. How are we supposed to practice for a baseball game with this in the way? Complained Cooper. I guess we'll just have to play around it, Cooper said with a huff. While Hooper and Cooper gripped about the freezing weather, Zoomer got right to work, taking advantage of the first snowstorm of the season. Here, the twins thinking about what to do, how to play around the snow, and Zoomer starting to play with it. After Zoomer had finished his snow sculpture, he decided it needed some company. Here is the duck he made from this snowball. So he built his very own wildlife sanctuary filled with animals and creatures from near, far, yesterday, and beyond. Here, he built some elephants, dinosaurs, dolphins, even an owl. And here, Cooper and Hooper thinking how to play with all of this. And here's Zoomer still building one of his snow statues. Later, Zoomer took a hot chocolate break in the polar empire of Zoomarctica and gave his brothers a friendly little wave. Don't look, whispered Hooper. You'll encourage him. You have to admit it, though, whispered Cooper. That is pretty cool. Here, Zoomer with his polar friends, and here's Cooper and Hooper whispering about how cool Zoomarctica is. Toot toot, shouted Zoomer. Hey, said Hooper, can't you see we're trying to practice here? But when Zoomer began building, here's a train, Zoomer, and here is Cooper with Hooper right here. An amusement park. Their mittens went on faster than a happy puppy's wagging tail. Here, there's Hooper, Cooper, Zoomer in the amusement park, and they're having so much fun. When Zoomer's tummy grumbled that it was close to dinner time, he scampered to the kitchen and cleaned up all the snow. As Zoomer finished, Mom and Dad came in. "Zoomer," said Mom, "you look hungry. What would you like for dinner?" Here's Zoomer cleaning up with a vacuum cleaner, and here's Zoomer reaching for cookies. "Chili!" yelped Zoomer. "Chili?" exclaimed Mom. "Yeah," said Zoomer. "On a really cold day like today, a big, hot, steaming bowl of chili would hit the spot." Dear," said Dad nervously, "did Zoomer just say on a cold day like today?" Here is Zoomer asking for the chili, and here's Mom and Dad shocked by his request of hot chili, and Dad whispering to Mom because he thought that he misheard Zoomer because he said on a cold day like today. "Well, okay then," said Mom. "Chili it is." Here, Mom and Dad came out to see Hooper and Cooper playing at the amusement park. And here, all of them having picnic on one of Zoomer's statues. The end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.